2 of me turning myself into a Tim Burton character, but like in a not costumey way. It's not Halloween. We're gonna move on to the eyes for a little bit, and we're starting off by overdrawing our under eye with white. Actually, quick update, I decided to carve out under here just a head. Now, I'm going to start by taking more of this gray eyeshadow and put it underneath our white and smoke it out. Then on this fluffier brush, I'm going to take this purple and put that underneath the gray. It looks so dead! Alright, I'm gonna go into this shade in the Fall Romance palette. I'm gonna start making our overblown crease area. I'm going to just slightly smoke out with a little bit of brown. This is such a trust the moment process, but I am going to get this to work. Now dipping into my Moon Garden palette, I'm going in with this shade on top. Then dipping into this shade, let's put that in the middle. And I still think we need to go a little bit deeper in some areas, so we're gonna put the crimson shade down here. I like this, but I will take just a little bit of my white concealer and sort of carve out the very top. And also just a little bit in the middle, like this. It looks more dramatic. I don't want to admit how fucking long this took me to get even. Do not recommend. I'm gonna be pretty precise with my highlighter because it's gonna be very shimmery. It's gonna go like this. Now for lips, I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with the Vinyl Stay Ink, just like in the middle, in the shade Koi, and then I will top it off with MAC Sardonic, just in the middle and dab it out. Added some gloss, and now I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'll be back with the big reveal. And I am back, and I am feeling myself. This is so... I will say though, this took me a very long time to do, and I did struggle drawing on the white on my eyes for some reason, but other than that, I would do this every day. Because why the fuck not? Don't let anything ever stop you from living your best Tim Burton dream, okay? Love ya.